Everyday English conversation practice. At the post office.
Returning a package.
Hi, I'd like to return this package. It's not what I ordered.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me take a look at it.
Here you go. The item is the wrong color, and I need a refund.
I see. Did you receive a return label with the package?
Yes, but I'm not sure how to fill it out.
No worries, I can help you. Just make sure the return label is clearly visible on the package and include a note about the refund request inside.
Okay, I'll write that down. Do I need to pay for shipping to return it?
If the item is defective or the wrong one was sent to you, the store should cover the return shipping. If not, you'll need to pay for that.
Oh, I see. I'll call them to confirm.
Great, once that's sorted, just drop off the package here and we'll process the return.
Thank you so much for the assistance. I've never had to return a package before.
You're very welcome. It's all set up now. Feel free to come back if you need further help.
I will, thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Inquiring about delivery times. Hi, I'm expecting a package. Can you tell me when it will arrive?
Of course, I can help with that. Can you give me the tracking number?
Sure, here it is. The tracking number is 98833686622.
Thanks. Let me check. Okay, it looks like your package is still in transit. It should arrive in 3 to 5 business days.
That's great. I'm hoping it arrives before Friday, as I need it for a gift.
It seems on track to arrive by then, but I recommend keeping an eye on the tracking information for any updates.
Will the package be delivered to my home address, or do I need to pick it up at the post office?
It will be delivered to your home, as long as someone is available to receive it. If you're not home, they might leave a notice for you to pick it up at the post office.
Okay, that makes sense. I'll make sure someone's around to receive it.
Great. And if you need any further updates, just check the tracking number online.
Thanks for your help. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day, and good luck with the gift.
International shipping. Good morning. I'd like to send a package overseas. Can you help me with international shipping?
Of course. Where are you sending the package?
It's going to my daughter in Australia.
Great. The options for international shipping depend on the size and weight of the package. What are you sending?
It's a small box, just a few items of clothing. It's not too heavy.
All right. That sounds like standard international shipping would be the best option. It's the most economical choice.
How long will it take to get there?
For Australia, it will take approximately 10 to 14 business days for standard shipping. If you need it faster, we have express options available.
I'd prefer to keep it affordable, so I'll go with standard shipping.
No problem. I'll prepare the shipping label for you. Just make sure to double-check your daughter's address.
I have it right here. I've included the address and phone number.
Perfect. I'll get everything set up for you. Do you need a receipt or tracking number?
Yes, please. I'd like to track it once it's shipped.
I'll give you a tracking number along with your receipt. You can use that to track the package online.
Thanks a lot. I'm sure my daughter will be happy to receive this.
You're welcome. Have a great day and safe travels with your package.
Post office hours.
Excuse me, I was wondering, what are the post office's hours of operation?
Hi there. Our regular hours are Monday through Friday, from 8 in the morning until 6 in the evening. On Saturdays, we're open from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Oh, great. So, you're closed on Sundays?
Yes, We are closed on Sundays. However, if you need to send something urgently, we also have an after-hours drop-off box outside.
That's really convenient. I didn't know about the drop-off box.
It's a great option for quick drop-offs when the office is closed. Just make sure the package is ready and properly labeled.
I'll keep that in mind. What if I need to pick up a package after hours?
If you receive a notice for a missed delivery, you can pick up your package the following day during office hours. Unfortunately, the drop-off box doesn't work for package pickups.
Understood. I'll make sure to pick it up on Monday if I miss the delivery.
Sounds good. Let me know if you need any help with anything else.
I will, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day. Mailing a letter.
Hi, I need to mail this letter, but I'm not sure which postage I need. Can you help me?
Of course. What kind of letter is it? Is it standard size?
Yes, it's a standard size letter. I'm mailing it to a friend in New York.
Great. For a letter within the US, the cost will be $1 for a first-class mail.
That's what I thought. Should I put the stamp on the top right corner?
Yes, that's correct. Just make sure the address is clear and the letter is folded neatly.
Got it. Do I need to include a return address?
It's always a good idea to include your return address in the top left corner, just in case the letter needs to be returned.
All right, I'll add that. How long will it take to get there?
For first-class mail, it usually takes about 3 to 5 business days to reach New York.
Perfect. I'll make sure to check on it later.
You can track it if you'd like, but since it's a letter, tracking is optional.
I think I'll skip tracking for now.
No problem. I'll take care of it for you.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day and safe mailing. Post office policies. Hi, I've been here a few times, but I'm not sure about the post office policies. Can you help?
Of course. What specific policies are you curious about?
I'm wondering about package restrictions. Are there any items I can't send?
Yes, there are certain restricted items, like hazardous materials, flammable liquids, or live animals. We also don't allow perishable food items unless they're properly packed and sealed.
That makes sense. I'm also interested in insurance for packages. Can I add that?
Yes, you can add insurance for valuable items. It's a great option if you're sending expensive or fragile items. The price depends on the value of the package.
Is there a weight limit for packages?
The maximum weight for domestic packages is 70 pounds. For international packages, the weight limit depends on the destination.
Great. And what if I miss the delivery? Do you keep packages here for pickup?
Yes, if you miss a delivery, the carrier will leave a notice. You can pick up your package here within 10 days. After that, it will be returned to the sender.
That's really helpful. I appreciate the information.
You're welcome. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
I will. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a great day.
Receiving a package.
Hi, I was expecting a package and received a notice. Can I pick it up today?
Of course. Do you have the notice with you?
Yes, here it is.
Let me check the system. Yes, your package is ready for pickup. I'll just need to see your ID.
Sure, here's my driver's license.
Thank you. I'll grab your package now. It should only take a minute.
That's great. I was worried it might take longer.
No need to worry. We keep packages here for 10 days before they're returned.
That's good to know. What if I can't pick it up in time?
If you can't make it within 10 days, you can authorize someone else to pick it up for you. They'll need to show your notice and their ID.
That's very convenient.
Here's your package. Please make sure everything is in good condition.
Thank you. I'll check it right now. Everything looks perfect.
Glad to hear it. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day. Asking for directions.
Hi, I'm a little lost. Could you help me find the nearest post office?
Sure, it's actually just a couple of blocks away from here. Go straight down this road, take the first left, and it'll be on your right.
Thanks. Is it far from here?
Not at all. It'll take you about 5 minutes to walk there.
That's great. I'm new to the area, so I wasn't sure how far it was.
I understand the post office is pretty easy to find. Just make sure to look for the sign on the building.
I'll keep an eye out. By the way, is there parking nearby?
Yes, there's a small parking lot behind the post office. It's free for visitors.
That's perfect. I'm planning to send a package, and I wasn't sure if I'd be able to park.
No problem, you'll definitely find parking. Just make sure to check the office hours before you go.
I will. Do you happen to know if it's open on Saturdays?
Yes, it is. They're open from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. on Saturdays.
That's super helpful, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and good luck with your package.
Thanks. You've been really helpful. Have a great day too.